Welcome to this year's Christmas message. It's been another really busy year and as ever, Team SPH have done a fantastic job of caring for patients despite all of those pressures. So a really big thanks to all of you for all of that hard work this year. We just wanted to talk through some of the highlights of this year. First thing, well, we've sold a whole lot of land, as you'll have seen, and that's enabled us to raise all the money that we need for our estates developments and our IT transformation.
Yeah, one of the highlights for me was the Community Day in July. If you remember, we opened our doors for the first time to our local community, had loads of kids from the local schools come and find out what it means to work in a hospital. And I mean, I think my favourite highlight was the simulation tour in theatres. I went in with my youngest daughter and she had some fun with the mannequin and with Mark Fleet and his team. They were absolutely brilliant.
We had our second Dragon's Den event this year, which was even bigger and better than last year. Even more pitches and some really creative pitches on the day, from some great ideas to improve patient quality, safety and experience. And we were joined by Annie Price, the presenter. Really a fantastic event. So
we also had our annual Staff Achievement Awards this year. This year we went bigger and better than ever. We held it at Sandhurst Military Academy, which was just a brilliant venue. So well done to all of our finalists and to our winners this year.
We celebrated the 5th anniversary of the Abbey Birth Centre. The 3,000th baby was born there. We also had a 99% achievement for the Bliss Award with our neonatal intensive care unit. So what a fantastic achievement.
Yeah. As always, we recognised a number of awareness days this year, including World Mental Health Day, our Pride in Nursing and Midwifery celebration, Nutrition and Hydration Week. And it's just fantastic to see teams coming together and discussing and talking about the issues relating to those awareness days.
And related to that, another highlight for me is the work that we have started doing about really working well as an anchor institution in our local community. We started working with Well North Enterprises. We've entered into partnership with Stanwell Food Bank and Stanwell Events, and we've set up a food bank storage unit at Ashford. We've got collection points here at Ashford and at St Peter's. So that's really kind of fantastic work and the start of a really important journey for us.
A special programme that we've done for the first time this year is our Healing Arts initiative, where we've been bringing creative arts into the hospital. And one example of that is the live music that our musicians have been playing in the wards, basically to improve the patient experience and to make their stay here a little bit better. And we've had some fantastic feedback from our patients.
And of course we've also done some healing arts for ourselves with our first Ashford and St Peter's Panto, which I've been involved in a bit, and it's been absolutely fantastic fun. I've loved every minute of it. And the amount of work and effort that's gone into it, I think, has been absolutely phenomenal. By the time you see this, hopefully some of you will have also experienced the magic of the pantomime, will appreciate the work that we've put into that.
And I just want to say a massive thank you to Heather in my team, to Joe, and to all of the people that have helped to make the Panto such a success. The people who've made the costumes, people who've painted the sets, our fantastic actors and actresses who've been rehearsing out of their skin.
Yeah. It's
been such a fantastic team effort, so well done team. So I'm especially proud that we received the Silver Award in the Ministry of Defence's Employer Recognition Scheme this year, and that was all about our commitment to our colleagues who are from a military background, but also, and really importantly, trying to encourage ex-military colleagues to come and work in the NHS. So fantastic that we managed to get that Silver Award.
You'll have noticed as you've gone around the site that things are changing. So the outpatient car park disappeared this year. The new multi-deck car park is being built in its place. It's going to be a much better parking solution. We've now tarmacked the staff car parks. So much more work that we're doing. We're opening a new ward here at St Peter's, new infusion suite at Ashford. We're opening a new nursery at Ashford. We're going to be creating a new staff wellness centre here at St Peter's next year. Such a lot of work. The new EPR, electronic patient record, that we're going to be starting work on next year is a hugely important and transforming project.
Yeah, and I mean, I hope by the time that you see next year's Christmas message, we'll have our staff wellbeing centre open. We're hoping to have a gym in that staff wellbeing centre, maybe things like sleeping pods, definitely places that people can go and chill out. They can go and do some work in a quiet space. So a really important initiative for us.
And speaking of gyms, I think we should also mention the physio team, moving the therapies, the outpatient therapy service across the Riverbourne gym. What a fantastic improvement for the community and the access to that service. We've had such good feedback from patients.
And so for those of us that are working over the festive period, a massive thank you for doing that.
And please do make sure that you take the time to rest and recuperate, look after yourselves, spend time with your friends and family, don't overindulge, and most importantly,
Come in.
1, 2, 3, Merry Christmas!